video how to use Claude AI to plan a trip. If you're using Claude AI and you want to plan a trip using your Claude AI, so let's see how can do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your Claude AI in your browser or in your phone. You have to make sure that you're signed into your account and you can start it with a new chat. Now, once you are here are some requirements to plan a trip. So let's see which requirements you need. So here are some requirements you need. So the very first is destination or destinations. So where do you want to go? After that, you have to enter the date and duration, when you want to go and how much time you will spend there. And after that, you have to enter your budget range, how much budget you can afford for this trip. Then you have to enter the travel style like relaxed, schedule, luxury, backpacking, or something like that if you want to. And then you have to enter the interest or what you like there. It might be food, museums, hiking, nightlife, or shopping. After that, you have to enter any constant like your kids, elderly, accessibility, visa limits, or if you want to add something else, so you can also try to add that here. So I have a smart and a simple prompt I am using for as an example. So here is the example prompt, which is plan a 5-day itinerary or for Istanbul. So here's the destination, it's the time limit or duration is the duration. So it's my interest why I want to go there. And after that, here's my budget. And I don't want to rush schedule. If you want to go rush schedules, so you can n- select that. Or if you don't want rush schedules, so you can write I don't want rush schedules here. Once you have done, just click the submit option and you just have to wait for some moment until it responds to you. So in a few moments you might see a complete plan. You can easily download it in a PDF file if you want to. It's a day 1 plan, it's a day 2 plan, day 3, day 4, and day 5. If you want to get a PDF file for your plan, so you can also write there, create a PDF file for this, and it will create a PDF file of your plan. So in a few moments, you might see your PDF file. You just have to click on this download option and it will be downloaded. You can easily open it in your browser or in any PDF editor. So you can easily share it with other people if you want to. So in this way, you can easily create a plan of a trip. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.